into your student book, you can see page number 50. You can see some kinds of movements again. Okay, see, look here, what are the points you want to learn? To see different kinds of movements, to name different kinds of movements. Okay, so to see and name different kinds of movements that we already have had a look here, right? About different movements and their names we already know. Now, can you look at down of that page, page number 50, you can see a diagram of a car, right? Diagram of a car you can see. So, is this car is moving slow or fast? It's moving very fast, right? It's moving very fast. See, the soils, they are spreading out. So, it's moving very fast. The car is moving very fast. So, some of the movement can be slow or fast. Some of the movements can be slow or fast. If you are taking page number 51 in your student book, you can see some of the movement again you can see here. Okay, this girl, this person is running. What's she doing? She is running. What is this rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. The rabbit is hopping. What about this boy? The boy is swimming. The boy is swimming. And what is this caterpillar doing? What do you mean by the caterpillar? It's a baby butterfly. Okay, it's a baby butterfly. So, what is this baby butterfly doing? This caterpillar is crawling. Okay, crawling. Crawling means moving slowly. Have you seen this crawling? Have you ever seen the caterpillar is crawling? If you don't see this one, you can go outside and search a butterfly baby, okay, and see it. Then, so these are the kinds of movements or types of movements, okay. These living things are moving. You already know that non-living things cannot move, right? So, all of the living things can move. So, this girl is running, the rabbit is hopping, this boy is swimming, the caterpillar is crawling. So, you can see again here down a boy is jumping also here, okay, in this page number 51. All are the things you want to learn about this movement, okay. And again I am telling you, can you see this one? Some of the movements you want to learn are, first one, walking, running, hitting, jumping, spinning, turning, punching. Okay, all these are kinds of movements, different movements. Okay, walking, running, hitting, jumping, spinning, turning and punching. And in the student book you can see the girl is running, right? Have you seen this one here? See, the girl is running. And next one, what? The rabbit is hopping and the caterpillar is crawling and the boy is swimming. These are the movements that you can see in the student book page number 51. Student book page number 51. And some of the movements are fast and some other movements are slow. Okay, have you seen airplane moving? How is the airplane moving? Is it moving fast? Yeah, their aeroplanes are moving very fast. But what about the snail? Snail, it's moving very, very slow, right? So, some of the movements can be fast and some of the movement can be slow. Can you see here this car? They are moving fast. And what about this tortoise? Are they moving fast? No, they are moving very slow. Okay, and if you are looking down, some more diagram you can see here. First one is the rabbit. How is the rabbit moving? It's moving fast. What about this jet engine? It's also moving fast. But what about this snail? It's moving slow. What about this tortoise? It also moving slow. But what about the airplane? Moving fast. What about the lion? Fast. What about the caterpillar? Slow. What about the elephant? Elephant, it's moving slow. Okay, the elephant also moving slow. So some of the movements can be fast or slow. Some of the movements can be fast or slow. Some are slow. See, look here. If you are looking the points, you can see some of the points teacher wrote here. Movements can be in straight lines or in curved lines, right? Have you seen some of the movements here? See, if you are looking this walking, they can go straight or they can go turning, right? So even in the running, she can do the same. But what about the spinning movement? What about this spinning movement? It's a kind of turning movement, right? It's a kind of turning movement, not the straight moving. Okay, it's not moving straight. And what about this? This one also not moving straight. It's also turning movement, right? So that's the reason we are telling some of the movement are in straight lines and another one are in curved lines. And as I shown you, some of the movements can be fast or others are slow. And forces can change, make things move. Okay, forces are some of the actions. Forces are some of the actions that can change the things. That can change the things to move, change the speed, maybe it can be fast or slow, change the direction and change the shape of an object. Okay, if I am crushing this bottle, it can change its shape. So I am giving a force over it. Okay, I am giving a force, then it can change its shape. If I am giving a force on the paper, again it can change its shape, right? Again it can change its shape. So if we are giving force on an object, it can change the shape. And see, look here, the pencil. Now the pencil is here, right? If I am pushing this pencil, it can change the direction. It's moving right side or left side, anywhere. Okay, that's called changing direction. If I am pushing or pulling, it can change the direction. So the force can change the direction. It can change the shape of an object. So pushes and pulls and turning movements are examples of forces. Okay, pushes or pulls and turning movements are some examples of forces. And we want to learn more about the pushes and pulls in the next portion. Okay, we will learn more about it. Now again, have a look on the notes. Movements can be in straight line or curved lines. Movements can be fast or slow. Forces can make things move. Forces can change the speed. Forces can change the direction. Forces can change the shape of an object. Pushes, pulls and turning movements are examples of forces. Okay, these are the things you want to learn. Again, you want to learn the spellings or the words of movements like walking, running, hitting, jumping, spinning, turning and punching. Okay, you can see these movements in your student book, page number 51. And here again you can see some of the diagrams of movements, pictures of movements you can see. I will send this worksheet with the video, then you can learn it at home. Okay, hope you understood. See you next time, children.